The Vancouver Island App is a community-focused tool designed to strengthen local economies by connecting residents and visitors with the businesses, events, and services that make each town unique. Once you have downloaded the app, you will see the island divided into 4 sections: North Island, Central East, Central West, and South Vancouver Island. Expand the screen to view the community icons. Zoom in to touch on an icon and view detailed information, including basic community information relevant to the community members, and tags where you will find listings relevant to tourism. Another way to use the app is the sort feature at the bottom right. This allows you to view results by interest and by location. Use the blue arrow to help you plan your travel. Apply the Indigenous lead to your search results and discover the rich heritage of the Indigenous people who continue to shape the cultural spirit of our region. This is an opportunity to deepen our understanding and appreciation of these traditional, historical, and unceded lands that we live on and travel through. On South Vancouver Island, seaside elegance dances with the wild West Coast soul, where culture, flavor, and fresh air freedom come together in a rich, unforgettable blend. Stroll through grand gardens, wander vineyard-covered hills, or hike misty trails that lead into wild coastal rainforests. The central West Coast Vancouver Island is a vibrant stretch where surf towns, forested trails, and laid-back communities meet the wild Pacific. From Tofino's breezy shores to Nanaimo's historic charm, this region truly captures the essence of coastal life. With its blend of beautiful nature and rich culture, it's what living by the coast is all about. The Central East Coast selection includes the neighboring communities of the northwest coast of Vancouver Island. Explore the rugged tapestry of ocean, forest, and mountain, blended with the communities that pulse with adventure and character, artsy charm, wild nature, culture, and a blast of history. Gold River and Tassus offer gateways into the deep wilderness of the historic Nootka Sound and laid-back spirit. Far off the beaten path, North Vancouver Island is a wild and wondrous expanse where nature does all the talking. Rugged shores, ancient rainforests, and hidden lakes set the stage for adventure seekers. Paddle through Johnstone Strait alongside orcas, spot grizzlies in Night Inlet, dive beneath pristine waters, or trek the windswept beauty of Cape Scott. It's Canada's untamed edge. It's raw, remote, and unforgettable.